Welcome, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sounds on this device. So first we should open the settings, then tap to the sounds and vibrations and tap to notifications section. Here we got ringtone section. You could use the online tones and online sounds. For example, let's just use one from these sounds, but to use them you should be connected to the internet, to the Wi-Fi or to mobile data. And also you could switch ringtones to profile. Tap to ringtones and to use one from our default ringtones. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply, click to OK. Now we can see the message that this sound applied successfully. Let's go back to notification sounds and vibration section, and we could see in notifications that we just successfully changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.